You're gonna notice stoppages, slow drains, maybe even sewer gas smells in the house.
Plumbing issues can be a headache, especially when the problem is hidden underneath the foundation.
We did an isolation test when we discovered leaks on the sewer system.
Tunneling is one way to access plumbing problems while causing minimal damage.
We needed to tunnel underneath to expose the broken pipes on the sewer system so that we could make those repairs.
The alternative would have been to jackhammer through the slab.
Tunnel is not an easy job, and I think that's why most companies stay away from it, but it's something that we actually specialize in and have been doing since 1978.
For almost 50 years, Due West has been dealing with problems caused by the moving soil in our area.
Pretty much everywhere in Texas, it's actually very common.
A mature live oak can consume up to 100 gallons of water a day, but soil can shift for many reasons.
Weather being the major one, droughts and everything actually shrink the soil.
And when the soil moves, the house and foundation move.
So too much moisture, like a plumbing leak or bad drainage and stuff, can actually cause the soil to expand and, believe it or not, raise the house and create a hump.
Now that they have underground access, these licensed plumbers can cut away the old damaged pipe and make the repairs. Once repaired, the pipe is secured to the foundation with hangers.
Once repairs are made, we will perform a hydrostatic test.
This test allows the team to make sure the system is fully repaired before closing everything back up.
But the hydrostatic test is going to tell you for sure the water doesn't lie. If the level drops, there's a leak.
As messy as tunneling may seem, at least it's outside. When this job is done, the only trace left behind will be a fixed plumbing problem.
What we're able to do by tunneling is actually make the repairs, put hangers on the pipe and support it to the slab so that if it ever moves, they move in conjunction together.
Whichever way the soil moves, Due West has the experts to reach the problem. That's what makes them a certified Home Show Pro. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.